Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO A54 and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down and tap on fingerprint, face and password. As you can see in the biometric section on the first position, we've got add fingerprint, so let's tap on it. And if you've got the pattern pin or password set just like me, then you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step and go to another step. If not, you will really have to do it right now. We have to add an additional screen lock, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work later on, then you will still be allowed to be able to unlock your device. So it is very important, just add the additional screen lock. So I have to enter my pattern. And as you can see, right now we are adding the fingerprint. We have to place our finger on the sensor, which is located on the side of our device on the power button. So let me put my finger on it. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. And try to catch every corner for better recognition. Okay, here we have to unroll our finger, so just add all of the edges of it. Okay, and as you can see, we just successfully added our fingerprint to this device. We can tap on done and move on, or add another fingerprint. We will tap on done. And here we've got the fingerprint settings. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it just by tapping on the trash bin icon or rename it. So that's quite a cool option if you've got a lot of fingerprints added. So let me rename it. It immediately changes. What's more, you can add another fingerprint also from this level. Here you've got the option use fingerprint for, so here you can actually decide for what you want to use it. So the screen lock is defaultly activated, but you can also activate the app lock or private save. It's up to you. I will leave it like this. What's more, here we've got the screen of unlock. So it means that, here we've got two different options. We've got light touch and firm touch. So light touch means that you will be able to unlock your device only with just touching the sensor, the power button. And firm touch will probably require also, pressing the button. So I will leave it with a light touch. And actually this is the whole customization. So let's lock the device and check. Let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your OPPO A54. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.